Hi everyone! In this video I will demonstrate a few types of warm-ups you can use before any workout. First we have head circles to the right and to the left. You can do these as many times as you want, whatever feels good to you and gets you nice and warm. Next we have shoulder rolls. You'll do these both front and back while leaving your arms at your sides. Then we have small arm circles, both front and back. I like to call these our little baby arm circles. As you can see, I flip my palms up when I circle backwards, and I had my palms facing down going forwards. Next we have single big arm circles, front and back. Notice how my head follows my arm as I circle it around either way. Again, all of these warm-ups you can do as many times as you like to where you feel warm. If you have a band, these are really great for any upper body workouts. This is a banded pull apart, so you'll just hold the band in front of you and have it kind of loose to start, and then pull the band apart while keeping your arms straight. This is called a banded pull together. So as you can see, you'll have the band around your back and crossing over the top of your forearms. And you're going to think about squeezing that chest and pulling your arms together in front of you. Make sure to keep your hands slightly below your chest. And here we have a banded pull down. So again, you'll just hold the band loose above your head and pull it down so the band goes behind your head. Here we have a banded bicep curl, so you'll just have the band underneath your foot and grab either end and pull up towards your body. Now we have front and back hip swings. So you just swing your leg forward and backwards as high as you can, and then you can switch to the other side. Here we have a side-to-side hip swing. I am up on the ball of my foot so that I can make sure my leg turns with the swinging leg as well, so that I don't twist my knee in the wrong direction. And now we have some simple body weight calf raises. It's really great to take a pause at the top. These are our body weight squat into an overhead press. So this way we can open up those hips and shoulders. These are called good mornings, or a nice little hip hinge. You want to think about really sitting into those heels and having a soft bend in those knees, and don't lock them out. This is what we call the greatest stretch in the world. So you're just going to pull that knee up to your chest and step out into that lunge. And put your hands on the ground. Then you're going to lift the same arm and twist towards your leg. And then you'll lift the opposite arm and twist away from the front leg. Then you'll want to straighten both legs and lift that front toe to really feel that calf and hamstring stretch. Bring your feet together and slowly roll up. And then you can repeat on the other side, as well as you can do both sides multiple times. Remember that Since this is a warm-up, this is an active stretch and not a static stretch. So we want to keep moving, only holding positions for 1 to 3 seconds. We also have to make sure that we don't forget those wrists and those ankles as well, since they can get sore from any kind of workout that you may be doing. While this video is wrapping up, I thought I would let you know some of the benefits of doing a warm-up before your workout. First, it will increase blood flow to the muscles to provide them with extra oxygen and nutrients they need to support your workout. Second, they will prepare your muscles to stretch and contract as you perform exercises, which will help prevent injury. Third, it will increase your heart rate to help prepare you for any cardio within the workout. And 4, it will help you find that mind-body connection and help you learn how to focus on the working muscle to make all of your hard work even more efficient. It will also help you to focus your mind on the workout ahead. I hope you find these warm-up tips and tricks helpful before your next workout. Thanks for watching and keep moving.